friends, so today we're going to make Muddy Buddies, and I bought these, they're like Tupperware containers from the Dollar Tree, and there's two of them, a blue and a greenish color, and I'm going to put some of the Muddy Buddies in here. We're going to use chocolate chips, peanut butter, confectioner sugar, which powdered sugar also, and some Chex, corn Chex. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to melt down our chocolate and our peanut butter, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to put our Chex Mix in here. And we are going to try and open up this bag. I feel like it's do. And I'm just going to pour it in. Next, we are going to take the melted chocolate, and I just put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, stirred it, put it in for another 30 seconds. And that was the entire bag that I showed you. I went ahead and did this. And this is just a really special treat. I especially make this during the holidays, but I usually make this once every like 4 months for the girls. When I was a kid, my grandma used to make this, and I really enjoyed it. So that is what we're doing now. I'm just going to start to mix it all in. As you see, it's coating it. And then we're going to do then we're going to do the peanut butter. And I just heated this up over the stove. It just fell right on out. Watch out, Will.
Can I have some sugar?
Hold on. Don't touch.
My fingers are clean. I just washed them.
Okay. So now we're going to mix this. Alright, now I have a cup of powdered sugar, and I'm just going to pop that right on top. Now we're going to mix it. You can put this into the big Ziploc bags, whether it's a gallon or 2 gallon, whichever you prefer, and shake this on. But I just did it this way today. Alright.
Is this good?
Okay, so now we're going to just start to dump these into the pans.
Good. She's the best maker, isn't she? She's the best cookie dough ever.
I'm the best cookie dough ever.
I love her. And
Yeah.
I love her so much, she will freak if we get her a present for her birthday.
I'm just going to dump this in.
I might get her a bicycle.
And then
Dump it in.
and it will set up, and it will be delicious. Shh. Okay. What you think, Lo?
What you guys do in my
Go.
And that is it, everyone. It fills up this entire canister. I'll put the lid on it once it cools, and we are set. Delicious food delicious treat. And it really isn't as bad. I mean, it has a lot of sugar, don't get me wrong, but there could be a lot worse things in this world than eating this, and Lily loves it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will put the recipe below. God bless you. Bye.